and problems. You are just became quite calm. Why I don't know, but because I want to cut short my message, whatever I want to give. But now I am little bit enlightened to say a few words. Till now, you heard the message that Britishers ruined our land, ruined our property, and taken away our property and everything. But they left some stigma and some things which are useful for us, which really are encouraging her to go into fight with the international world, that is global world. So what do you know? What are the things what they left behind? That is one language, English language. Before the Britishers, we don't know what is English. After the Britishers, because of for their convenience, they have changed the administration and communication and remaining things for their amicable situation, and they have implemented English for their administration. But luckily, that started its roots into the whole India, that means to the village level. Then everyone in India can speak a little bit English mixed with their own mother language. That is called Butler English, broken English, Indian English. That is called Indian English. Do you know what is the national language of India? Can you say blue, first toppers? Blue House, can you say the national language of India? Hindi. What about red, yellow, green? They kept quiet. That means they are right. There is no language. There is no language, national language. I am saying there is no national language for India. Because this is a conglomeration of many languages. So they could not identify which language were to fix it as a national language. So they didn't keep Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, English, but for communication, for official use, they used English. So English and Hindi, both the things for official use, but not national languages. That is the important thing. Your actually interesting, intelligent thing, what you like is cricket. Do you know what is the national game of India? Again, they are keeping quiet, they are right. There is no sport or game for India. This is only common. There is no, they have not fixed any game. That is the two things. So, whoever not saying they are right sometimes, but not always. But you have to express your ideas. So what I want to say, this is Vikasit Bharat, already developed country. Our Maharshi Vidyalaya declared it as the Vikasit Bharat. But only thing is, we have to increase and strengthen the Bharat with youth. The youth, what we are producing from Maharshi Vidyalaya is very strong and very confident, and they can do whatever they wish and whatever they are having in their mindset and destination, they will reach within no time. Our Prajna, what is her name? Prajva. This Prajva is lightning really our Maharshi Vidyalaya to the top of our nation. You see, you have to applaud for her. Give a great claps. But only few of them are appreciating. Why not others? Oi. Another news. Our Science Expo has gone to Ahmedabad. That means we are not retaining our knowledge here. We are expanding and exposing to the nation. So one day or the other, definitely our people will definitely bring our Marshi onto the top of the schools. Definitely, I think I am having that hope. You will definitely do it in future. One thing is, we are fear of one thing is language. That is because we are always fail to communicate with others, with friends, with teachers, and with elders. The English is the hindrance sometimes because we are afraid of grammar and phonetics and vocabulary. But my message is, don't afraid of English. English is very easy language with small number of alphabets. You can use any word, means your mother tongue also you can use in between, because that will give a good message to others. We are not writers or poets. We want to communicate our message to others. That's the only our idea. Main idea is communication. So for that we need not have a grammar, good vocabulary or whatever it may be. But in future, after you grown, you can refine and redefine your language and style of thing, everything. And with this hot summer, hot weather, I don't want to strain you anymore. But I want to tell one simple thing that is very easy. Do you know Sumati Shatakam? This is a mixed Indian language what I am going to tell. Sumati Shatakam, one poem is Epatikayedi Prastutam Appatika Mataladi Yennula Manamul Muppimpaka Tanovaka Tappinchuku Tiruguvadi Danyudu Sumati. If you read it deep, then only you will get it. Very difficult to get for a English medium school children. I can say that is very difficult. But what we are in a Telugu medium, we were in a Telugu medium, we know everything. This Telugu is very easy. But for you, for your understanding, for your knowledge, I'll tell you in a mixed language. But this is not written by me, from poet. He is having equity and creativity. He wrote, Eppatikayedi applicable, Appatika Takutaki, Andari Hartun, Hart means Rudayam, Hattimpaka, Hattavaka, Escape Tiruguvadi, Danyudu Sumati. This is very simple. Eppatikayedi applicable, Appatika Takutaki, Andari Hartun, Hattimpaka, Hattavaka, Escape Tiruguvadi, Danyudu Sumati. That means this is yours, sending your message to others in different languages. But is this a mixed language? This is what is called previously Butler language, what others. This is really an Indian language. Indian English is different from other English, British English. You can go to higher level, then you can learn British English. But this is an Indian English. With this, I'll encourage all of you to talk in English, mix it with your mother language, whatever it may be. Don't be afraid of grammar, phonetics, or vocabulary, but you say whatever you want, express it fluently, what I am doing. I don't know grammar much, but Sudha knows very well, but always corrects me, but I will go into my own language. Thank you very much. Thank you with this.
Really Wonderful, sir. Extraordinary message delivered by you. On behalf of our Malaysians and team, sir, thank you very much for sharing that. Rajini, ready for that?